Hello, I'm Dr. James Smoliga, and I'm a university professor who has conducted research on anti-aging compounds as well as the health benefits of exercise. Today I'm going to provide a brief introduction to one of the most promising anti-aging compounds, a molecule known as NMN. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, known as NAD, is a molecule found in all human cells. For over 50 years, scientists have recognized that NAD is instrumental in hundreds of the body's chemical reactions necessary for good health. NAD is constantly being synthesized and degraded in our cells and essential to processes including DNA repair, cellular replication, and even the body's circadian rhythm. A number of factors can influence NAD metabolism, including healthy and unhealthy diets, as well as exercise and other lifestyle choices. NAD levels decline with age, and this impairs cellular function, leading to a number of negative consequences. Research has shown that restoring the body's NAD back to useful levels can improve health and even to help us live longer. One of the most powerful ways to restore NAD levels is by providing the body with NAD precursors. In other words, supplementing the body with the building blocks that make up NAD can increase NAD levels and help maintain or even improve cellular function with aging. Research has demonstrated that a molecule known as nicotinamide mononucleotide, also abbreviated as NMN, to be an effective way to achieve this. Research indicates that NMN can be used to treat a variety of health-related conditions and reverse the signs of aging. In the past 5 years, a number of studies have provided NMN to humans and found to be safe and well tolerated without side effects. And it could potentially benefit a variety of people. A recent study found that NMN improved aerobic performance in healthy runners. The most recent preliminary research suggests that 6 to 12 weeks of NMN supplementation increases NAD levels and may actually improve various aspects of physical function in 70-year-old men. These initial studies on NMN in humans are beginning to confirm the benefits that have been demonstrated in laboratory animal studies. One prominent anti-aging researcher has even begun to take NMN himself and claims that he is erasing substantial benefits. The scientific research is convincing that NMN is an especially promising intervention for maximizing health and slowing down the aging